What if I told you that just $100 could be the start of your journey to financial freedom? Sounds too small, right? After all, $100 barely covers a night out these days. But here's the truth. Investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about starting. Period. According to a 2024 NerdWallet survey, over 40% of Americans still believe they need thousands to begin investing. But that's a myth. And today, we're breaking it down. In this episode, I'll show you how $100, when used smartly, can unlock a lifelong wealth-building habit. We'll talk strategy, mindset, and, most importantly, action steps that even total beginners can take today. So whether you're 18 or 48, if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for enough money, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Let me take you back to 2015. I was broke, fresh out of college, juggling 2 jobs and wondering how anyone actually starts investing. I mean, everything I saw online talked about $10,000 portfolios, retirement accounts, and complex ETFs. But then I found a quote that changed everything. It was from billionaire investor Charlie Munger, who said, "First $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it." And that hit me. Because it wasn't about hitting $1 million overnight. It was about building the habit, the rhythm, the discipline. I scraped together $100, opened my first investment account, and bought into a single low-cost index fund. It wasn't glamorous, but it was mine, and it was the beginning. That $100 taught me more about money, patience, and mindset than any finance class ever could. Your first $100 isn't about making you rich. It's about proving to yourself that you can take control. Now let's talk strategy. If you've got $100 and you're ready to make that money work, here are 5 beginner-friendly options you can get started with right now. Index funds via robo-advisors. Platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, or even Fidelity Go let you start investing with minimal funds. Why it works. Automated, diversified, and low fees. Pro tip: set up recurring contributions. 10-month adds up quickly. 2. Fractional shares. Apps like Robinhood, SoFi, or Public allow you to buy pieces of big stocks like Apple or Tesla without needing hundreds of dollars. What to watch? Stick to companies or ETFs you understand. Don't just chase hype. 3. High-interest savings and money market funds. Maybe you're not ready for market volatility. Totally fine. Use your $100 to earn safe, passive interest while you build confidence. 4. Cryptocurrency, optional and riskier. Platforms like Coinbase let you buy as little as $10 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Warning: high risk, high volatility. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. 5. Education as investment. A $99 course on Udemy or Coursera about personal finance or digital skills. That knowledge could earn you thousands later. If you're still thinking, that doesn't sound like much, here's the truth. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built in small, smart, consistent moves. We've all been there, excited to start, but not sure what to watch out for. Here are the most common mistakes I've seen and how you can steer clear. Mistake number 1. Chasing get-rich-quick trends. Crypto fads, meme stocks, TikTok investing gurus promising 10 times returns overnight. Stick to boring. Boring builds wealth. Mistake number 2. Knowing your risk tolerance. Before you invest, ask yourself, can I stomach losing this $100? If not, park it somewhere safer. Mistake number 3. Ignoring fees. Apps may be free, but mutual funds or ETFs often charge fees. Look for low expense ratios, under 0.2% if possible. Mistake number 4. Not being consistent. The magic isn't in the amount, it's in the routine. Set up Auto Invest and forget about it. Okay, so here's your blueprint, your $100 to investor roadmap. Open a brokerage or robo-advisor account. Choose one simple investment, like a total stock market index fund. Set a recurring transfer of $10, $20 each month. Track your progress, but don't obsess. Learn something new each month. Read, watch, listen. By month 6, you'll have invested $200, $300 and built a real habit. And that's when the magic happens, because it's not just your money growing, it's your confidence too. So let me leave you with this. $100 won't change your life overnight, but it will change your identity from spender to investor. And once that identity shift happens, there's no going back. You're in the game now, and that's how every investor starts, not with thousands, but with a choice. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, because every day we break down real money moves in ways that actually make sense. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Money Mindset Hub. I'm Raul Sofa, and remember, it's not about having more money, it's about making better choices with the money you have.